Home maintenance is a new thing, okay? New for our new generations, because people nowadays either they don't know how to do some jobs, or they don't want to, or they just don't have enough time. Now, there's a research that homeowners spend up to $6,000 on average on repairs and maintenance in 2022. There's a lot of considerable research online, and there's even like really good blog posts about can Americans do simple household maintenance tasks without Google. Now, we understand this because younger generations, well, they spend a lot of their time on the internet. They're too hung up there. Either they use social media or they just do something else, I don't know, maybe for a programmer, he doesn't just have time to consider these like home jobs, like this home maintenance. That's why we have websites like Thumbtack.com where you can just get a lot of things done. Or if you have certain skill, you can make a lot of money on it today. Now, they did a research, and this was like just a survey or a poll or something, and they asked which of the following home maintenance tasks can you do? And just take a look at this. None of the above is 38%. And that's what I'm telling you about. People just don't have enough time, or they don't know how to do these tasks. And that is good for some of you that know to do this, because you can get a lot of money today, more than ever before. Because as you can see, over 1/3 of Americans are unable to perform basic home maintenance without the internet. And you can see what people are searching for. So, for example, 11,000 people from this research, they just searched for how to fix a leaky faucet. Now, some of you might have just do this in 1-2 minutes, because you just grew up that way, or you just you were growing up with someone that actually showed you how to do these tasks. So they come to a question or a conclusion: are millennial homeowners doomed? Well, we're not doomed. I mean, we can do some other things. We just need help with those old century things. You know what I mean? Because this is just the time that we live in today, okay? We know how to go to program the chatbot, ChatGPT. We know how to make that, but we don't know how to fix a leaky faucet. That's the way it is. You can actually see that people from 25 to 34, there's 22% of those people in that age group which doesn't know how to perform household maintenance. But this only means one thing: you can do it for a lot of money using Thumbtack, for example. Thumbtack has a lot of these services: furniture moving, heavy lifting, interior painting, furniture assembly, and you can see the popularity of this website. Thumbtack.com, there's 7 million total visits last month, and you can see that the website is even growing, okay? So it has a steady growth. So if you have certain skill, if you know to do something, if you know to fix the furniture, to decorate the kitchen, you can get a lot of money with this. You just have to sign up on the website, just make yourself good reviews, and you're good to go. There's even an app on the App Store. As you can see, it is pretty nicely rated, 4.9. There's an app on Google Play, so you can do everything from the comfort of your mobile phone once you deal with that. And then, of course, you just go and do the job. But home maintenance is a really popular category on Thumbtack. You have a lot of categories, but for example, some of these are weekly cleaning, monthly mowing, pool care, and there's a lot of these categories: window washing, pressure washing, tree trimming, junk removal, carpet cleaning, pest control. There's a lot of these projects, and you can find all of these categories and the prices for every service, So, for example, you have, some electricians, you have open bar, you can even organize someone's wedding if they want to do that. You have some chauffeurs, you have film production, kitchen island, appliance repair. I mean, you name it, there is a job for it. And for the people that want to get the job done, they will just search, they will browse the profiles, then they will just chat with you, and they will hire, And if you ask me, this is a really good website. If you want to get something done, you just call someone, you just use the app, and the job is done. Of course, you're going to have to pay for it if you don't know how to do it. So my advice for younger generations: learn to do some things, just go and learn something, or tech with yourself. You have internet, and just, go and just tickle with it, dabble with it, and eventually you will just know how to fix these essential things at least. But for you out there which already have certain skills, well, you are lucky because you can get a lot of money here. If you want to join Thumbtack, You come on Thumbtack.com, click on Join as a Pro here. Then you will just enter your email, your phone number, your area, of course, and you will tell them more about your skills. You will choose your skills and you will just have to answer these like simple questions. So how do you prefer to get new jobs? Do you use digital booking or payment solutions? And what's your preferred language? Now, of course, you have to have certain skill. But if you don't have any skills, if you have a cousin or a relative or a brother, whatever, and they know certain skill, they know how to fix things, there is a referral program. So when you make yourself an account, you have a lot of these like useful information for yourself, but there's a referral program which can get you and that referee both up to $200. So you will generally see what is in high demand in your area. And if you know someone, you'll both get $200 if they just sign up through this link of yours that you are going to send them. Now, this is the most generous program that I have ever seen. I mean, $200 for just referring, it is a really good one. Or the most beautiful thing that you can do is you can team up with someone. You know, you have like, I don't know, your helper or something like that, or someone from your family, and you can just do these like simple things like electrical repair, emergency plumbing, AC repair, you know, a lot of these things that you already know how to do. Or if you know someone, be sure to refer them here. Now, if you just don't know how this works, if you are not like the internet person, if you're an older person, what I suggest, get someone to help you, get someone younger to help you to like install the app, to make your profile, to explain to you what these reviews are and how to get them, you know, what to put, where to search, you know, younger generations can help you with that, you know, just ask for help and they will do everything that is related phone-wise or computer-wise, because maybe you don't know how to do that, but you know there's other things which are maybe more useful for this one. So just ask for help, you know. And if you don't know, like, if you can do like all of these services on Thumbtack, which requires special skills, then you can go to this website, which is called TaskRabbit. Now, TaskRabbit is a bit easier. TaskRabbit gives you the opportunity to work like on these physical jobs, which anybody can do. So if someone wants to move, you will help them with that. If you have a van, you can just transport the goods. If you, I don't know, maybe someone needs to move the furniture from upstairs, you know, that's all the things that you can do on TaskRabbit. As you can see, you have furniture assembly, you have mounted TV, you have help moving, home cleaning, yard work, gardening, you know, heavy lifting, and you have all of these prices listed, so you don't have to like come up with a price, you know. And this is how it's gonna work like. You have reviews, and you will have like always these featured taskers. So what you want to do is you want to do the job right. So you can be, for example, like this person, 100% positive reviews out of 174 completed tasks. And of course, you will set your own prices. So for home repairs, for example, $52 per hour. So it is a really good thing to do. If you want to join on TaskRabbit, click on Become a Tasker. You will just have to select your area from where you live, and then you will just have to choose a category. Now, the important thing that you have to know, this works only in the US. TaskRabbit is a bit different. They have like Germany, Italy, Portugal, and some other countries, but Thumbtack is only in the US, so it's for the US people, you know. But that is a good thing because you've seen the research. Nobody knows how to do certain things, and you can do it. Be your own boss, set your own rates, and grow your business online. Because let's face it, everything is being digitalized, you know. You have to be present there. Otherwise, you lose a lot of these work chances, you know. You can just make your own company, you know, these reviews and all of that. It can be like your own company, which you run online, but you do the jobs. Also, you got to know the process. You have to sign up. You have to build your profile on the website, verify yourself for something, and then there is a registration fee of $25 in order to start. And with these $25, you get a lot of customer support, you know. You will never have to like deal with like some troublesome clients. I don't know, maybe someone doesn't want to pay or something. Well, there's nothing of that sort. Everything is taken care of. You have customer support. You have all of these clients contacting you. You can search the jobs yourself. So $25 for a registration fee, it's not that much. Then you will just have to set your schedule and work area. So where you would like to travel or where you can operate. And of course, then you just have to start with it. TaskRabbit also has App Store and Google Play apps, so you can use those. And one more website which does the similar things is called Upshift.Work. So Upshift.Work is a place which is in similar nature. So when you come in here, you just click on for people or heal looking to work. And this is a bit different because this will get you the money for helping companies, because sometimes someone like owns a company, and let's say they have a company which is like warehouse manufacturing, and sometimes they need help, they need some extra services, extra hands for that day or for that week, so they won't hire like full-time, they just hire part-time, and this is the website for them. It's basically some hourly work in various industries. So you have hotels, food service, so you can just work as a bartender, kitchen staff. You have some catering events, and as I've said, someone has warehouse and they need help in it. Upshifter is also easy to become. Complete your profile, then you will get access to these local jobs, and of course you will get paid weekly. Now in here, reputation is also important. You will build your reputation. You will just have to look out those reviews so another company can hire you in the future. So just take care of that. You can even end up on the webpage because you were a good worker. So if you are looking for something like that, if you are a handyman, if you just know how to fix things, if that is your passion, if you just live off of it, this is a perfect opportunity. Whether it is Thumbtack, TaskRabbit, Upshift, whatever, guys, just go and do it because this is the opportunity for you. As you have seen, a lot of people don't know how to do these jobs, and you can do them, and you can charge for it because, let's face it, you can do it. And go and do it, Just use this millennial shift, whatever it is. Just use it to charge more for your work because you deserve it. You know that skill. So just go and do it. I'll catch you.